Good morning. Today is going to be a very simple maintenance task that I'm going to do on this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. I'm going to update the headlamps to LED lights. It's an easy task. It should only take about 5 minutes per light. So let's get started. You actually don't need any hand tools to swap out these LED bulbs, but it is a little tough on the fingernails. So I will be using a flat blade screwdriver. There's a flashlight there to light things up a little better, and of course there's a glove. I'll be swapping these bulbs out with BeamTech LED bulbs. They're all going to be H11. It turns out that with the design of this car, the high beams and the low beams are all H11 bulbs, and that's a very convenient thing. You driving around with a backup if you need it. You have a bulb go out, you can just swap the high beam for the low beam, and you're on your way. I'll put a link in the description below for these BeamTech bulbs. I like them a lot. On this particular Dodge Grand Caravan, the high beams are on the inside here, and the low beams are on the outside. And of course, it's the same high beam on the inside, low beam on the outside. Now what I'm going to do is just replace the high beam. At least that's what I'm going to film. I got to do all four of them, but once you've seen how one works, they all work the same way. I want to see if I can't get you a view of the wiring harness that I'm going to be playing with. Let's see if this camera will do it. And there is the wiring harness right there. And what I'm going to do is give that a quarter turn counterclockwise, and it should pop right out. Well, here's the housing. This is the high beam. This is the easiest one to reach, and all I'm going to do is twist that little housing a quarter turn counterclockwise, and let's see if I can do that and you can see me. Let's see here. Oh, there's the quarter turn, and out it came. That's how easy it is to get this out of here. And then we're going to pull that bulb off the harness and put the new bulbs in. So here's the harness with the stock bulb removed, and here is the new LED. Let's see if I can see that. The new LED, and it's going to slip right on that harness, but I cannot do it with one hand. I'll just have to do it with two. Well, here's the LED bulb, and it is plugged directly in to that harness, and all I'm going to do, if I can do this with one hand, is turn this around, put it back in the same hole from where it came. And I know this is upside down, you probably can't see it, but I'm going to feel around. There we go. And then I'm just going to turn this back down, and that's done. So if you can see, if you can see this, that bulb has just been replaced. It's that simple. Well, there you go. All four LED lights have been installed. It took about 5 minutes per light. Won't do you much good for me to turn the lights on the daylight, so I'll wait till the evening and we'll turn them on so you can get a peek. If you learned something from this video, give it a like. If you want to see more of this stuff, I got more coming. Interesting thing here. How did I get white wheel covers for this? Well, that's another video. Anyway, this is Dallas. Thanks for watching. See you next time.